Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple website for your travel agency in just a few simple, easy, straightforward steps. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and show you how to do this. So if you want to make a simple website for your travel agency, this is the best place to do it. Head over to mightysites.com, click on Start Free Trial or Launch, or you can scroll down right here and just find the template for travel agency. So I'm going to click in here. I'm going to look through. You can see this platform's for all types of small businesses, basically for local businesses, including travel agencies. So I'm just going to find the travel agency template and click on it to get started. Now, the first thing it's going to ask me to do is to enter my business name. So I'm just going to put in here Keegan's Travel Agency. And let's enter my location, which is Denver, Colorado. And I pick my business type. So restaurant, retail, service, or other. Travel agency definitely falls under the category of service. So I'm going to click service right here and click continue. And just like that, the system is actually going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my travel agency. So you can see the travel agency website template is right here for me to use. Now, all of these images are actually already licensed for your use on the site. So you can go ahead and use those images. Or, of course, you can change those images to something else that you prefer. Now, this is built to be a really simple, straightforward, easy way to launch a website. So for any of these sections, if you want to update them, so let me click on Update Section, you can do it right here on the front end. And again, this template, with the web hosting, all that, it's only $9 a month. So it's extremely affordable, easy way to represent your travel agency online and collect leads for your business. And then you can start working with them to plan their trip. So again, to make any updates to this template, just click on Update Section, and then you can enter your email, your phone number, your address, your postal code, whatever it is you need there. You can update your social links. So if I want to put in, let's just say my Twitter account and add my Facebook page, just add those, click Save Social Links and close. And now let me move my little screen here. Now you can see that my social media links are right here, and those link to my social media pages for my site too. So I can go over here, I can upload my logo. That's super simple and easy to do. Just browse my computer and upload my logo. I can go over to the menu. I can change those around. I can add new menu items. I can choose where they link. I can edit any of the existing menu or delete them. I can also update my location information here. Once that's all set, I can head over here and update the menu items. I can add a new hero image if I have an image of myself, or maybe I specialize in people traveling a certain destination and I want to include pictures of that. I can upload those there as well. I can also update the text really easy. I just click on Update Section, go here, and this is a travel agency website template. So you can see I can just type in the text right there quickly and easily, click Save and Close, and the text appears right there. Now I can even make the text bold or italicized or have it link somewhere too. So it's really nice and simple and easy to make any edits to this template, much easier than editing many other types of website templates. So I'll just delete that for now. And the other thing that I can do is update this call to action here. So let's just say I want this, a lot of people are going to be searching for your business on a mobile phone. You might want to make that just click to call. I can click on here to choose link, and I can go over here to actions. Once I put my phone number in, I just click to call. And now when they click on that button, it'll automatically call my business. If I want them to book a calendar appointment too, let's just say I have a Calendly link that I want them to book with. So let me just pull up my Calendly link so I can show you. I just simply copy the link to whatever booking software I'm using, and I switch over here to another website, put in my Calendly link, click confirm, click save. And now when someone clicks on that, I'll probably change this to, book a consultation or something like that. And now when I save that and somebody clicks on it, it'll automatically open up to my booking calendar. So again, for your about section, you can update that to simply and easily just tell a little bit more about your business right here. That's really easy and straightforward to do. Same with changing the image if you specialize in other types of destinations, things like that. This is a really nice image-driven section of the site. That's easy to update too. And then here's your contact form, right? The website is supposed to drive leads for your business. That's a big part of this, an important part of having a website. So basically what we want to happen is people come here, they find your travel agency, and then they submit their details. That goes right into the back end, which I'll show you in a minute for your site. So the other thing that you can do, and let me move my screen again, is right over here. There's a paint can. So let's just say that you decide you'd prefer different colors. You can click on this and update all of the colors of the site too. So there's a whole bunch of different themes here, just depending on your type of business and the style that you feel like really suits your business type. You can click through here and you'll see it'll populate with all the different themes. And if I click through and click that arrow to the right, you'll see there are many different themes that I can use. So I'll just stick with this one for now, click save. And you can see now I've updated my site, so this part will go away here at the top, but I've updated my site to, a brand new theme, right? So whatever fits for you, whatever's going to make sense with the images that you choose to use or the logo that you have for your business, you can go ahead and select through and find the right color theme and color palette that works for your business. So once you're done, again, this is $9 a month. So I can just click here on stop editing, go to the site dashboard. If I want to get back and edit my site again at any time, I just click on update. Really simple and easy to do. If I want to connect a custom domain, if I have a domain through GoDaddy or domain.com or Google Domains, anything like that, I just simply copy and paste my domain here, and then I can update the records with my registrar. So that process is really easy, and the website comes with a secure certificate too, so that your website's really secure and easy to use. There's a dashboard here for any leads that come through the site. So you get their phone number, their email, their name. You can contact them to follow up to help them plan their trip. And you can update your social links here, update your location, view your account information or billing here as well. And again, all this is included. So the dashboard, the front end site, the pre-licensed images, the text, the website template, the easy to use front end editor. It's a perfect way to get a simple professional website up and running for your travel agency. So that, just like that, that's how you make a website for a travel agency using Mighty Sites.